y'all. Hey. Hi.
Excuse me. Okay. This be so sweet, y'all. I'm so grateful.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
Ooh. She just scared the mess out of me, y'all. But I am home from work. Why is right here? Oh, has it been? I was just trying to show them my outfit. I know the light in the other room. Dang it. Hopefully they can see. Excuse me. Okay. So, 2-piece from Fashion Nova. The long sleeve one though, y'all. Because it's fall outside. Well, it feel like fall. See, here we go. Well, it feel like fall. Yeah, I caught myself washing my rugs and this is what it did. I don't know what it did to this one. Okay, this one ain't that bad, but I gotta try to get that off of there. I don't know how, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. Hey y'all, I'm home from work. And I was about to get in my shower and I was like, let me show them what I wore. Even though it's like super simple. 2-piece from Fashion Nova. I think I've worn Fashion Nova 2 days in a row. But it's a black little stretchy number. I really like it. It's cute. I have it in like 3 colors. But you can't go wrong. And the temperature is dropping too, so it comes in real handy. But I just got home. I'm about to straighten up a bit. Tidy up a smidge. I'm tired. I got one more day till my weekend. Lord, you kept me. I'm tired. And my room is reflecting how I feel. Because it's a mess. I ain't gonna say it's a mess, but I just traveled and I did unpack. I did put things in the dirty clothes. I have not done laundry. So I'm about to just tidy up real quick. So hang out with me.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어. 너 어린아이 같아. 난 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파. I'm feeling lonely. Something about you make me feel insecure, baby. Something about you, girl. Stay here right by my side. Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone. Feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love everyone, oh. Love you right, baby. Love everyone, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love everyone, baby. Love you right, baby. Love everyone. Tell me what's going on now. Man, I've been switching lanes all the time 오늘 내 AKA I'm just on an edge hanging man. 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야. 이런 모든 감정들이 up and down, yeah. And at times in and out I can say but I wanna know the time to find to listen now. Tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine. Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love everyone, oh. Love you right, baby. Love everyone, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love everyone, baby. Love you right, baby. Love everyone. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on my mind, baby. Cause I love everyone, oh. Love you right, baby. Love everyone.
how I'm feeling. Would you wanna meet me where I'm at to see if we could go much deeper, or could you never? Yeah, I know it's stupid.
Alright, home from work, and I have my outfits of the day. I have this white shirt. I think this came from It's Fashion Metro. It's like a high-low type deal. I really like it. It's cute. Tights from Walmart. Shoes from the Gate. And I got this bag from Target years ago. Something cute, simple, but a big deal still.
Hey, y'all. Hey. Hi.
Where
Hi.
have you been?
Working.
Mm-hmm. The people have been asking about you, of course.
He's here. He's here. She always cut me out, y'all. Y'all know how she do me. I can
do
never
not.
make the video footage, but I am alive and thriving and well, and we'll do a get together soon. I'll be back in town to raise hell.
Touchdown and cause hell. Hey. I went to Buc-ee's over the weekend. I got me some
In Florida?
in Brunswick.
Yeah, it is on Savannah, Brunswick.
Man, that brisket sandwich was so goddamn good. I said, oh, I should have grabbed me 2, 3 of them. But I don't want it to be soggy by the time I get home. But I did get some pralines.
You know, you could have told them just to give it to you by the, without the bun.
They do that?
Uh-huh.
Next time I go back, I'm going to have to get me like a little pound of it or something. Because ain't no way I ain't got no brisket sandwich.
Yeah.
Let me shower and get ready for bed. All right, I've showered, did my face care routine, so I'm going to show y'all everything I got from the post office today. Well, everything that I can. Now, this came from, what's it say? Because it's kind of rubbed off. So, this is from Q. So, I don't know what this is. Oh, my scissors over here. It's heavy. Oh my God. She got me my favorites from Bath and Body Works. In the Stars body cream. Then we got, oh, it's another body cream. We got, ooh, Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Let's see what that's about. We got In the Stars body spray. We got In the Stars body wash. And then we got another In the Stars body spray. Girl, this be so sweet, y'all. I'm so grateful that people think of me. It's a blessing to be thought of, I'll tell you. Okay, so let me see what this Pink Pineapple Sunrise smell like, though. That smells good. That smells like a drink, baby. That smells so good. Thank you so much, Q. That is so sweet. I'm going to have to find you on Facebook and tell you thank you. But she loaded me up with my favorites, y'all. Thank you, girl. That's so sweet. That is so sweet. Oh, I am so full. full right now, like literally full. So my friend, she's an avid oldie shopper, oldie. So she called me and she put this together all from Aldi, y'all. And this is gonna go with my fall decor. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little individual flowers. And then the base came from Aldi too. I think the flowers are like $3.99, and then the base was $15. This is so pretty. I gotta figure out where to put it. She's supposed to be trying to go find another one, because I need another one for the house. I need to put this somewhere else. I need more than one. So that came from Aldi. What else do I have? I think these are the sunglasses that I ordered. Because my boo sent me some, and I just wanted to support her business. I got these leopard print shades. Oh, these are cute. Cute. Y'all ain't tell me my wig was messed up. Love these. I think this is my Timo package. And so I can't show y'all. I gotta do a video. But by the time you see this, then it may have already hit the scene. Yeah, this is my Timo package. With my fall stuff. So I'll go through that. Not with y'all. I think that's it, y'all. So that's all I got. So I'm about to slide this wig off and go to bed. I'll see y'all.
Friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.